The path to a fossil-free future begins long before the first solar power ever reaches the grid. In Juliusburg, Krukow, a solar park with a capacity of around 80 megawatts is taking shape, enough to supply up to 30,000 homes with fossil-free electricity. The project uses SSAB Zero steel as material for the substructures. This reduces emissions across construction and the supply chain by more than 300 metric tons of CO2, around 67% less than conventional steel.
For us, this shows that fossil-free energy generation not only starts when the first electricity is being produced, but rather starts earlier in the value chain, from planning to the delivery chain to the actual construction of the project.
Together with our partners, from SSAB to the installation teams on site, we're showing that solar parks can be significantly more climate-friendly from the very start, without compromising performance or economic viability.
This was the first project where actually our client Vattenfall come to us and ask us, can we do a project together with zero carbon steel? And now we're very happy to find the right partner with SSAB and to make this project together.
Juliusburg Krukow is a beginning. When we think about tomorrow's emissions while building today, every project becomes part of the solution.